Welcome back. Now news from sports. Churchill brothers have managed to rope in title sponsors for the 2012-13 season. The former I-League champions will now be called NVD Churchill Brothers. NVD Solar Limited is a company based in Kolkata, with its business being the manufacturing of renewable energy products.
Announcing the tie-up of NVD Solar Limited with Warka-based Churchill Brothers, NVD Managing Director Saibal Hazra promised to drive forward Churchill's vision.
We feel that this particular club has in itself, there is an enigma who is associated with the club, Mr. Abram Churchill, who has been a football fanatic himself, and we have been from Calcutta, we have been seeing this particular person and has been admiring him for the contribution to Indian football. We would like to be part of his vision and endeavor to take football to a different league altogether. Together, we would like to create certain strategic business units, like, as you are aware of, the current state of affairs as far as Indian football is concerned is totally into something which we would like to change. We would like to create assets, as in together we would like to create strategic business units in terms of sports pubs, facility development, community development, so that we would like to see more and more people coming in and supporting the cause of football.
Patron of Churchill Brothers, Churchill Alemau, called upon business organizations to support football.
I pray with the Almighty God that, like NVD peoples, like there are many peoples are there in the country, the big company, they should come forward to support for the football, not only cricket. Because the football is the game, is a world game. But cricket is the game, is the only maybe the 12 or 13 country game.
A reporter from Kavalosi, Savio Dice.
It's almost certain I-League champs Dempo Sports Club are going to miss out on AFC Champions League football. AIFF has not yet met the Asian Football Confederation guidelines, and as such, it's the I-League winners who have to pay the price. 2011 champions Salagonka Sports Club were deprived of Champions League qualifying action. Around 24 hours are left for AIFF to meet AFC's criteria, and it looks like Dempo are going to be the sufferers this season.
This is where Dempo Sports Club could be the premier Asian stage of club football competition, or at least the qualifying stage of the Asian Champions League. Dempo have qualified twice for the Champions League before, but ever since then, the AFC has tightened the norms and has asked all affiliated federations to make their national leagues a separate entity. For example, on the lines of how the English Premier League functions.
You all wanted to hear desperately from the AIFF and even the IMG Alliance.
We have not got any response so far. I mean, it's really discouraging from that point of view, that we were expecting a response by end of April. They've asked for more time. I really don't know when they're going to come out. But hopefully the sooner the better, because otherwise, there'll be much more issues and challenges to deal with, rather than just concentrate on the game of football.
But if the decision does not come out before the 31st of May, it stands that Dempo Sports Club won't be able to qualify for the Champions League.
Yes.
In that case, what will you do?
So that's the very challenge that I'm facing, whether we will sign the agreement or will not sign the agreement. We are in a real catch-22 situation.
It has come to a stage now where the Indian clubs are not going to take AIFF's lapse attitude lightly. Sources say a storm is brewing amongst the clubs and AIFF might soon find an uprising on their horizon. Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar with Bureau Inputs.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.